Hi friends, how are you? I hope you are fine and firing on all cylinders. And I also hope that you are taking immense interest in my teaching. And I have also tried to excite interest in you so that you may become a proficient learner of this language and you may also thrive by leaps and bounds in your life. This is my main motive. And this kind of obsession has led me to embark upon the heroic expedition of teaching you because I think knowledge should not be kept to a person and knowledge should be imparted to everyone out of sight and out of mind. If we don't share what kind of good experience or good knowledge we have, then will be a crass injustice and to the people who don't know this language properly and their progress has been hampered owing to not learning this language properly and they have started regarding themselves frustrated, disillusioned, disappointed. So, never feel discouraged, disappointed, disillusioned if you don't know this language because you can learn this language, but first of all, you should have a curiosity. Unless until you are curious, you will not be able to learn everything, anything. In every field of life, you should have curiosity. And I also became curious in this language when I was teaching in school in class 9 and I was very fortunate that I got a teacher named Sri Hari Krishna Girathi in Adarsh Vidya Mandir who helped me turn over a new leaf. He was a fantastic teacher, a sensational and magnificent and a obsessive person. And he is a brilliant teacher. He also tried to I had hidden my lights under a bushel at that time, and he helped me to give up that kind of that kind of the I had that kind of same I had. So in that way, if you also manage to get a good teacher in your life, you can also thrive by leaps and bounds in your life. But we can rarely find a fantastic teacher, an enthusiastic teacher. He used to teach me zealously. Zealously means अति उत्साही जोशपूर्ण तरीके से ZEALOUSLY and just because of his brilliance and his benedictions I have managed to learn something and I am in that position to teach you and I can't say I teach you, I guide you. Just I try to guide the people who are real aspirant of this language and who aspire to become proficient in this language. So what happens? You should have a bee in your bonnet about this language. If you want to learn swimming, then you can't learn it without jumping unless until you jump into the water. In the same way, if you want to learn, if you want to become a proficient speaker or writer in this language, then you will have to start speaking. So, if you want to learn swimming, we will have to jump into the water. In the same way, if you want to learn something, then you should try to do something in your life. So, today I have decided to expand your vocabulary, to expand your word power, and by doing so, I have decided to written some words and I will try to solve these words. So, now here I write something. Datna. So, Datna will be is a Hindi word. So, how can we expand our vocabulary by writing English words? Scold, chide, rebuke, reprimand, denounce, condemn, give somebody the rough edge of the tongue, lash out at, take to task. So in this way, and you can write many more words, and in this way you can expand your vocabulary. Darkness, scold, chide, rebuke, reprimand, and denounce, condemn, give somebody the rough edge of tongue, lash out at, take to task. So these are the many words which can be used by us to express our feelings. So in the same way, I write one more word here, and I will also try to expand it. The word is marna. So we can write it in many ways. Die, perish, pass away, expire, no more, kick the bucket, and we may say kick the bucket and push up the daisies. And you may also say push up the daisies and go to meet somebody's maker, and give up to ghost. So in this way you can expand this word in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 ways. So dear friends, the more we expand our vocabulary, the more we will be confident, and we can use more fantastic words in our daily life, and we can be a good orator of this language. So here I have written the name of some evil people, and I will write their English names here. Badmash, ruffian, gunda, fiend, unethic, immoral, व्यभिचारी, promiscuous, धूर्त, unscrupulous, लालची, avaricious, कपटी, crooked, चालबाज, trickster, ढीठ, impertinent, अधर्मी, impious, दुष्ट, rogue, उतावला, impetuous, अधीर, impatient, सनकी, whimsical, बदतमीज, insolent, धोखेबाज, imposter, अहंकारी, arrogant, नीच, wretch, निर्लज, audacious. Now this is the name of some good people: dharmi, pious, shist, courteous, viveki, prudent, ईमानदार, honest, मिलनसार, amiable, लोकोपकारी, philanthropist, उदार, generous, आत्मविश्वासी, confident, विश्वसनीय, reliable, साहसी, courageous, धैर्यवान, patient, उत्सुक, curious, and दबंग, दबंग का हो जाएगा swashbuckling. So these are the words here I have written. So what happens? You should also try to understand these words and try to expand your vocabulary by reading, learning these words and speaking these words so that you may become a fantastic learner, a fantastic speaker, a fantastic orator of this language, and your personality will also be more and more developed. It will be an icing on the cake. If you are a knowledgeable person and if you can express your knowledge in English language, then that will be an icing on the cake. So, in that way, I have written these words: Badmash, Ruffian, Gunda, Fiend, Unethic, Immoral, Vyabhichari, Promiscuous, Dhurt, Unscrupulous, Lalchi, Avaricious, Kapti, Crooked, Chalwas, Trickster, Deceit, Impertinent, Adharmi, Impious, Dust, Rogue, Utavla, Impetuous, and Crooked. Now, look, crooked means kapti. इससे एक वाक्य बनता है, Kaikeyi was good at heart, but her crookedness led Ram to his banishment. So in that way, and so we can also write for this word, dabang, imperious. This is the English word for this word. So learning is a lifetime process. Learning never ends. A person every day learns a new word, a new thing. So, this situation reminds me of some lines of the poem Ulysses, that all knowledge is an arc where through gleams all that untraveled world whose margin fades forever and ever whenever I move. Howsoever embark upon a heroic expedition, you will always find new world to explore. And this is why you should never give up hope. Try to learn this language, start learning this language. And I am speaking in English just because I think you should also feel very comfortable, and because I am not a English background student. I studied in a Hindi medium school, but our obsession can help us achieve anything. Nothing can done anything. Nothing can do us anything other than our obsession. Thank you.